Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for a webcam, let me tell you all about why I love this one. So this is the ZIQIAN Webcam HD 1080p. It's great for any kind of live streaming you're going to do, and it comes with a microphone. Super easy setup. It's USB connectivity. So whether you're using this on your computer or on your desktop, you're going to love it. With the little privacy shutter here, you've got the adjustable tripod that comes with it. It has a 110 degree wide angle on it, and it rotates 180 degrees. And if you do decide to use it on your computer, it's got a little padding on here so nothing is going to get scratched up. Now, installing it was super easy, but even setting it up once you're on some kind of a chat group, all you got to do is go to your video settings and turn it on, and the camera will show you that it has powered up. So the picture is nice and clear. You get a nice wide angle, and the sound is also awesome. So if you're looking for a webcam, there's so many of them out there. I love this one for the reasons I've already told you and more, but that's my point of view.